Today's recipe is really simple and something great to have on hand all week long for lunches, dinners, all kinds of recipes where you need roasted chicken, salads, grain bowls, stuff like that. This is a simple roasted chicken thigh. I just added a half a cup of olive oil to 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. If you don't want to eat the skin, that's totally fine, but we find that it tastes more delicious and juicier if you cook it with the skin on, and it will be broiled at the end to get really nice and crispy. Again, if you don't like it, remove it after it's cooked instead of before it's cooked, and it'll protect it from getting dried out. This is the juice of 1 lemon. This is a very, very, very simple marinade of lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. So season with salt and pepper, and then toss everything together. And then let it sit. You can leave it at room temperature to marinate like this for about an hour. If you want to do it for longer, you should refrigerate it. Make sure you have an oiled roasting pan and oven preheated to 375 degrees. Then what you want to do is you're going to start these roasting skin side down, so fit them into your roasting pan. And then you get them into 375 degree oven. You're gonna roast them skin down for 20 minutes and then flip them and another 10 minutes. When the chicken is roasted for 30 minutes, you're gonna wanna glaze it. This is 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix that with a tablespoon of grainy mustard and some salt and pepper. Very simple glaze. This is a very simple recipe, like I said, which is what makes it so great and all-purpose. You can even make this recipe without the glaze, and it's even simpler. But this adds a really nice flavor, and obviously if you're gonna be eating the skin, you want it to taste super delish. So then just brush your chicken skin with the glaze and have your oven set to broil. So when you take the chicken out of the oven, change the temperature from 375 to broil. That way the oven will be reheating while you're glazing. You can make the glaze while your chicken is roasting, so it's ready as soon as the chicken comes out of the oven, and use up all your glaze, so be generous. The mustard gives tang, spice. It's one of those secret ingredients that we use all the time when we need a lot of flavor. And that's it. You just get this back into the oven, but under the broiler for about 5 minutes until the skin is crispy and golden brown. And that's it. Just crispy, delicious chicken served with a nice green salad or whatever is your preferred way to serve your chicken, and enjoy. Any leftovers, like I said, they would be great on grain bowls or in a chicken salad. It's completely up to you and your imagination, but I think you're really gonna love this really simple roasted chicken thighs. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.